Are your trees and branches overgrown and need trimming? If using your regular old shears is giving you sore hands or arms, then you'll love the all-new Kleva Precision Pruners that can cut through branches up to 2.5 centimetres thick with just one hand. The secret's in the 3-to-1 easy squeeze technology and simple ratchet principle. Each time you squeeze, the blade is pushed down further until it cuts through the branch to get hard jobs done fast and easy. Regular shears can hurt and blister your hands and arms. Kleva Cut's soft grip and rotating handle reduces pressure on your forearms to easily cut through the finest of flower and the toughest of trees with ease. Plus, the large protection guard stops those annoying nicks and scratches from prickly plants. They're so good they've got a 5-year guarantee and stay as sharp as the day you bought them, thanks to the Kleva 6-in-1 sharpening tool. Sharpen shears, kitchen knives, fishing gear, scissors and more. It even has its own built-in oil bottle and lubricating pad to keep your pruners clean and rust-free.
I don't have to put as much strength into each cut as I used to.
This is a dream. So now when I cut, the ratchet system kicks in and it just cuts through like butter. I love it.